happy birthday and a great year ahead.
Thank you very much.
And seems like the markets are also not stopping, like your age. Already the SGX Nifty is what, 19,100?
You know, Aisha, today it's just a coincidence that it's end of the half year,
Yeah.
end of the month, end of the week, and a brand new series. And frankly, if you really talk about the month and the quarter, which is April to June, I mean, what a comeback it's been by the bulls.
Yeah.
It is unreal. In the month of April, nobody would have argued that Nifty would be anywhere close to 18,000. Forget a print of 19,000. And I guess April 2000 or this quarter will be remembered for all the right reasons, which is FIs, they come back, inflation, it abated, margin earning season was decent, GST collections have been strong and robust, and China in a sense did not really recover the way how global financial managers were expecting. As a result, money moved back, money which had moved into China moved back into India. So for me, what really matters is that in Q1, Nifty has registered a 9% gain, a 20% gain for the mid-cap index, and a 20% gain for the small-cap index. I mean, isn't that incredible? That just tells you that it just takes few months to change the market narrative, and the market narrative surely has changed. What the all-time high on Wednesday has done, that it has once again reaffirmed that the underlying demand by global investors and the underlying demand by local investors is clearly insatiable. I mean, look at the FI flow. The fact that whether it is the block deal or GQG buying into a Adani group of stocks, the appetite clearly seems to be, currently insatiable. So when you have such a powerful appetite, and when you have this kind of a strong breakout, you would say that, look, you want to be with the trend. So I'll have to say it again, stay bullish, remain bullish, stay with the trend. Trend is your friend.
Yep, and that's exactly what you were saying in the promo that we played out in the months preceding where we've reached up until now. And it's not just us compared to, what we've seen compared to some of the other indices, but across the globe as well. If you look at, in dollar terms, the markets, how they fared in Q1, yes, we've clocked in that gain of about 9.5%, which is fairly commendable given the fact that the Hang Seng, for instance, has lost out about 6.6%. It's been nothing but flat when it comes to the FTSE, the CAC, the Dow Jones has eked out a gain of just about 2.6%, and the Nasdaq, though, has managed to surpass with an 11% gain. And it's been a stellar series as well gone by. The Nifty index, of course, we know is at a record high, ditto for the Nifty Bank. Even the broader markets have scaled up a solid 6.8%. Pharmaceuticals near 7-month high, metals, FMCG. So Nikunj, everything as well is participating, and you're seeing that sectoral churn as well play out.
So you start a brand new series, and this time you start a brand new series. Even though markets are at an all-time high, the open interest is not at an all-time high. The participation is not at an all-time high. The market appetite clearly is not indicating that there is any kind of an euphoria. So you're starting a brand new series, and you've got a record print. And that record print again is not matching up with the underlying commitment to the market. So you're not starting feather light, but you're starting pretty okay. Second, what will be the differentiating factor for the July series? And I think there are two differentiating factors, or I would say three actually. The first differentiating factor is that this time around, earnings season expectations are not low. Earnings season expectations are high. So we could see volatility because of that. Monsoon. It has picked up, but if the monsoon in a sense does not progress in next couple of days, then you could really see some amount of volatility. And third, given that what we've essentially heard from the Fed in the last meeting is another rate hike coming in the month of July. So these are three variable factors which in a sense would be the differentiating factor. So June was about technicals, readjustment, FOMO and liquidity along with block deals. July could be the two new ingredients. In the July would be monsoon and the earnings season, and right at the top of the heap really would be the earnings season. So the difference between June and July, earnings season.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll have further